Alright, so this is just a quick unboxing of the Insta360 camera. I'm going to unbox this and let's see what's inside. Oh, that was easy. Alright, open this up here. Let's see what's inside. Looks like this is the camera. The venture case and 2 batteries. Put that over here. And 2 rechargeable batteries. That was actually from a link from an affiliate link. Let's take a quick look at this real quick. This is the venture case. It's like the GoPro cases. Try and keep it protected if it falls, waterproof a bit, ready to mount, rugged protection, pretty basic stuff. And then this is the Insta360 camera. So I actually bought this because I wanted to get involved with and started with, so maybe just set them off for you guys, 360-degree scanning of properties. I want to get involved in real estate, so I figured that was a good way to at least, get my foot in the door, kind of see what realtors see. Let's clean that off a bit. And then, so yeah, here's a 360 camera. It's all odd Bob. 5.7K display, flow state stabilization. I don't know if you've seen this camera in action before. It's been around a little while, but it looks really cool. Just the stuff that it can do. I know some YouTubers are using it. Let's get a knife. Used for like various things. I think I don't remember the name of the channel. Oh, How Ridiculous. They use it when they do some of the drop stuff. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. See if we can get this open. Just look at that. How you guys like my little knife? Anyway. Pop this open. So, I mean, it's not as compact as a GoPro, or it's a little taller. Without the battery, it's pretty light. Micro USB, whatever this says, only supports exFAT micro SD cards. Speed class UHS-1 and V30. Good to know. Got 2 buttons. It's for the menus and for powering it on. There's no battery in it, I believe, so. Anything else come in the box? Oh nice, you got a cable to connect it to your computer. In case you're taking the USB to, micro USB. A little protective pouch, carrying pouch. Fits right there. It's kind of interesting. You just slide it in like that. It's kind of a tight fit. I guess that's good. Just keeps it secure. I don't know. Lens still kind of sticks out a bit. It's the one catch here. That's why there's some stickers, directions, quick start guide. Yada yada, and a battery and what looks like a slingshot holder. Let's open this up real quick. So there's a, wow, those are tiny. What else is in here? There's something else, right? I like this string that you attach and you can swing it around to get a particular, it's a pretty long string actually. I don't know, 3 foot long string or so. You just screw it onto the bottom and it's supposed to hold it tight while you spin it around to get a, wow, that's kind of sketchy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Seems kind of sketchy. It starts swinging. I guess what the venture case could be useful for. That's interesting. Let's see. Let's throw the battery in and see if it starts up. Hey, starts right up. It's got like half battery. No SD card. I wonder if I need that, or I'm going to use it for. So I would use it with like 3D scanning software. So I wonder if I would need that SD card, maybe, just in case. I need to put the picture somewhere, I suppose. I have to look into that. Shut it down. Again, got 2 extra batteries, just in case. You know, these things, they tend to die pretty quickly, so it might be good to have a few extras. And so that's it, guys. That's just a quick unboxing on the Insta360 OneX camera. I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out yourselves. Put it right here. Whatever. Wow, you know, actually, yeah, that's pretty fat. I guess that's good. You know, like an otter box. You got some good protection, I suppose. I don't know how to open this. Oh. Alright, you know what? That's actually a pretty secure fit. Attach the anti-fog inserts. There's anti-fog inserts? What? Alright, let's remove these things. Well, you know, I'll leave them on there for now. We'll put those anti-fog inserts. Ooh. Okay, I'll do that. I'm getting fancy up in here. Alright, so that's a quick look, you guys, like I said, at the Insta360 OneX and the venture case attachment for it. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.